operative.
Well, think about when somebody splits up. Generally, which is the first non-family, non-friend professional that that person calls?
Their lawyer.
Why not their financial advisor?
Yeah, good point.
Why not their therapist or find a therapist? Why is it that they're calling a lawyer?
Exactly. Representation.
That in of itself is a societal problem.
Yeah.
Because the answer shouldn't be a legal one. The answer should be a family-oriented one. It might be a financial one, but it shouldn't be a legal one. But it is. Because in our society, people see lawyers as advocates.
Right.
Or some people would actually use a different word. They would be a bulldog or a pit bull. But really, we're not pit bulls, we're not bulldogs, we're advocates. Some people think, well, an advocate means someone who is going to give me power that I don't have because my husband or my wife has taken it away from me. So I'm going to hire a lawyer to be my warrior, to be my fighter for me. Well, lawyers aren't fighters. We provide advice and we advocate. Some people believe, just the other day, I actually had to fire somebody as a client. Why? Because they wrote to me, made it very clear to me that what they wanted from me was they wanted me to be their warrior. Well, I'm not trained in the martial arts. I'm not a samurai. My job is to advise and to make oral submissions to a judge if we cannot agree on our own.
Right.
But before we even ever see the inside of a courtroom, my job is to hopefully find a solution that is family-oriented. But what happens if my client doesn't want a family-oriented solution?
And what about if their spouse doesn't want a family? There you go.
At least I can control my client.
Right.
I can provide some advice to my client. I could maybe move the mountain a little bit to a place of reasonableness. I don't have any control over their spouse.
Right.
And if their spouse is committed to an adversarial model of a dispute resolution, there's very little that I can do.